good, Dad?
I broke my back.
What do you mean by that? You broke
my back is broken.
In this video, I'm gonna be proving to y'all and proving to him that I can actually run. A lot of people, a lot of spectators, a lot of comments, a lot of Instagram bullies and trolly woolies out there swear by God that I can't run. So today I'm gonna fact check y'all and I'm gonna show y'all that I can run. And not only y'all, him. This is artificial technology versus man. This is easy. You know you gotta stretch at this age. You ain't stretching. Yo, bro, you're not my son right now. Right now, you the world. You the internet bullies right now. You Kate Cushington right now. You Johnny Blaze right now. You the haters. So these haters won't know it's really me. You know what I mean? You can't do this. Come on, let's go, buddy.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Easy win. On 3. We're racing a cool 100 meters from.
No, it's not 100.
Well, we're going 50 meters. A cool 50 meters, not 100. All right, technical track, boy. And you run track for real, right?
A little bit.
So this is an amputee beating a track star.
On your mark, get set, go. Oh my gosh. You good?
That failed.
You hit your stump. What you feeling?
I should have raced with the pen one. That's what I'm feeling.
Yeah, you haven't worn that leg in a long time.
I just slipped off. I had them too, man. That's why I was laughing. I didn't want to dig in as much because I felt they're getting loose. I'm like, man, this is gonna be bad. I felt it getting loose. This is my 3rd time falling in fucking 3 days, bro. Like God telling me to sit my ass in the house. All right, thank you, son. Appreciate it. Yeah, this is my 3rd time falling in 3 days. God telling me it's time to chill. So I'm gonna take a chill pill. I'm gonna sit my ass in the house. He really think he won? Nah, you ain't went home, boy. Test number 2. My son think he better than me, and y'all think I can't run. I'm sure a lot of y'all gonna get a lot of laughs out. So we gonna run that back. Switching legs. Hold on. This is the better leg anyway. I went down, bro. And this nigga smoked me. So we ain't going as far. We're gonna go from that line. We're gonna go that line to my wife. We ain't going that far this time. I'm hurt. This leg ain't gonna fail on me. I know it's not. I trust this leg. You ready? Say it, baby.
Your mark, get set, go. That was like a millisecond difference.
What'd you say? He got me. Did he get me? I ain't gonna lie, I was running in fear too. I was a little annoyed. I was scared to give it the full beans.
I was saying that shit all the time.
I was scared to give it the full beans. I'm like, if this leg go out on me again, I'm done. But thank God, Old Faithful. Old Faithful, you ain't go out on me.
And he got asthma with no asthma pump.
No asthma pump. I got one leg with no crutches. I got 4 ribs on one side of my body. I was a good run though, boy. I'm a train now, y'all. This is 30 days before my 30 days straight. I'm gonna try to go 30 days straight on YouTube, uploading every other day. And I'm gonna go 30 days straight working out in the gym.
Well, Sevyn really trying to show off now.
Yeah, he's showing off, bro. Bro, what you doing, bro? In front of my girl, bro?
Shamar, you don't have no asthma pump. Can you stop?
My girl, bro. I'ma die for mine, bro. I'ma die for mine, bro.
He's off.
Let's get into it. Everybody left comments. Everybody showed love. I appreciate all y'all for that. But let's get straight into it. But it's just crazy though, bro. This is the prime example though, bro. That the show must go on. They ain't come holler at me. Look at them. The show must go on. I lost a leg for you, man. I lost a whole leg for you, man. 33 surgeries, you only reached out one time. And come on, man. And you said the directors. You.
We have to do it. So.
Throwing I'm putting y'all on my Instagram real fast.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Are you doing it now?
Yeah.
What's up? We're here. God bless for life for our boy there. Respect, man.
She was just on a political run, man. It's sad in Hollywood. I thought it wasn't true. I thought it wasn't Illuminati. I thought. But like I said, let's get into these comments. I'm ready to break down some of these comments once we get to the next location. So I wanted to get into the comments from the last video of Will Smith's stunt double. Gone wrong video, the Bad Boys 3 joint. Guy speaks, left a comment. Dang, bro, I feel for you. Bad boys and the hospital should be paying for your life. I agree with you. But the reality is, they're not. They're not going to be paying for my life. They're not going to be helping me. Yeah, we all know Will Smith could sprinkle a little bit of emotion my way and it'll take me way further in life than I am at this moment. Just like what he did with that rapper dude. I can't never remember his name. But the little rapper dude that came up with the Fresh Prince song.
My life is a flick. I'm loaded up the film. I got me some paper.
He just reposted the guy and the guy got a record deal. So yeah, he don't want nobody to know about me. Will Smith never going to talk about this unless he's forced to. It was the best kept secret until now, until I felt like, you know, I'm healed. And a lot of things, a lot of people probably wonder why now. Because I'm healed, I'm in the correct place mentally. I feel like this will help motivate people. It will answer a lot of questions that people have for me. And as you guys know and as you guys see, that it got 60,000 views, 300 comments. Now, I don't even know how many likes it got, but this is one of my most liked videos, but it got least amount of views as videos that got less likes. I'm Ashley said, you're amazing, dude. Put in a lot of hard work. Sorry this happened to you. Keep your head up, and I pray your mental is good. Thank you. And like I said, my mental is good now. It took a long time for my mental to get here. I went through breakups. I went through child support, court. I went through all of this during this injury. Life goes on. So yes, I'm injured, but I'm still dealing with real life things. Had 2 kids since the accident. I have my wife pregnant now. Life goes on. So that's it. Next comment. We got ElliotNess100. He said, that's a damn shame how someone with Will Smith power could not make sure that you were compensated for this accident and that your story could be told without prejudice. It's the higher ups in Hollywood that do not want the truth to be spoken. You lost your leg due to negligence of this movie production and now they're trying to shut you down, or should I say shut you up? Much respect to you, my boy. Keep your head up. And that's ElliotNess100. Shout out to you, my boy. You get what I'm saying? Elliot get it. It's the higher ups. They got more power than us. We the little guys. I'm just a stunt double. You gotta think. An ex-stunt double. They left my ass on the ground and the show went on. You get what I'm saying? And to believe, like they left me on the ground, right? They left me on the ground, injured, banged up, and just believe, just think though. All he had to do is treat me like a human. That's it. I'm not asking for no check. I'm not asking to be compensated. But I just want to be treated like a human. Thank buddy. I'm not trying to sue him, anything like that. Where I come from, suing is the last thing we do. You know what I'm saying? So that's not something that I even pursued. And that's mainly the reason why I waited this long. The statute of limitations went out. They can't sue me for talking. I can't sue them. It's just, you know, type of deal. But at the end of the day, yes, they should have treated me like a human. They treated me like I was just an extra, and I wasn't. I'm Sevyn's dad, and I'm Harley's dad. I'm not just some extra. I'm not just Will Smith's stunt double. I'm Sheila's son. Now I'm Shaniqua's husband. Boy, Tatted Tommy's TV. He said, started when I was 4, raced MX for 17 years, 19 broken bones, concussions. Later, I'm a former pro stunt rider and did the Batman stunt show for 4 years. I don't hit the streets more or less it's electric. I leave it alone. I got 3 almost grown boys that look up to me. Stay up, stay safe. Shout out to my boys, Tatted Tommy's TV. I agree with you. I ain't outside unless it's electric. You dig what I'm saying? And even that, it could go bad. But that's the furthest, that's the biggest risk I'm taking. I can't be outside no more than that. And now niggas only ride when the ride outs, and the ride outs, you got niggas dying, it's just chaos, crashing, niggas robbing, niggas to their homeboys, and niggas, you know, doing half jobs on the repairing their niggas' bikes. It's just, bike life is, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Moving on back to the Will Smith shit. Tay Lou said, He said the fact that they use you as a test dummy is crazy. To me, honestly, they knew exactly what they was doing and didn't care. He said, and didn't care that they were putting you in harm's way. I pray you're eventually compensated for this horrific incident. Everybody's saying that. Even my man Taylor, he just said, I pray you get compensated. But Taylor, I ain't getting compensated. It was shot in Atlanta. I said this once, said it twice. I'm going to say it again. You cannot sue your employer in Atlanta unless it's negligence. It's really hard to prove negligence on a stunt that's supposed to be a crash or explosion. It's kind of really hard to prove negligence. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a stunt guy, so you automatically, oh, he's gonna get banged up. He's a tough guy. When you hear the names, when you hear stunt guy, stunt man, anything like that, what do you think about? Cowboys, stuff like that. Mission Impossible. Gotta think. Jackie Chan. So you think, oh, he's a tough guy. If he's a stunt double, he's a tough guy. Jet Li ass nigga. So a stunt guy saying, oh, it's his fault because he's hurt. Or a stunt guy saying, oh, it's this guy's fault because he's hurt. Nobody's gonna listen to the stunt guy, and that's just it. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. It's sad that it is this way. I wish Will Smith would. Y'all do me a favor. If y'all see Will Smith, tell him holla at me. That's all. I'm not chasing nobody down. Like when we was around each other during the filming of this movie, I wasn't, you know, fake buddy with him because I know how the movie business works. It's people like Miss Jackie that I still talk to. It's people that like Kevin Rogers that I still talk to. It's people that's in the movie business that you actually could build a relationship with. But it's also people in the movie business that you realize, like, all right, after we wrap this movie, we ain't gonna be friends. I appreciate y'all for showing so much support on the video. I know it's probably hard to find. I know a lot of people didn't really, I know it was probably hard to find. I know a lot of people really didn't see the video. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's time for us to go. We out front of ChickfilA. It's a Sunday. That motherfucker lights just coming on in that joint. We just trying to fill our video.
Wait, show the phone just in case they don't believe.
Sunday. Y'all see it's Sunday, right? Why is ChickfilA lights on? While we recording this video, the whole time it was dark. As soon as we started ready to wrap this shit up, it got the lights came on. I guess it's time for us to go. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everybody for supporting the video. I know it's probably hard to locate the video due to the higher ups in Hollywood. Probably they gave me a strike. They demonetized me. Then they demonetized the video. They demonetized the video, demonetized the video, gave me a strike. Man, it's so hard putting out this Bad Boys content. That's why I gave it a wrap. I promised that I was gonna give y'all the end of it, but we just gonna keep it till the documentary, all right? We had to come to the Truettes, Chick-fil-A. This is the best Chick-fil-A on planet Earth. No other Chick-fil-A is best as this. Haven't tried it yet, but we're gonna try it. So we had to come check this out. I had to put some fuel in my body before we get to the race. Like I said, today's the big day. Today is when me and my son go head up on the race. Right now, I got my regular leg on. We're gonna go ahead and get some fuel for the body. And then I'm gonna go ahead, you know what I mean? Yo, this joint is dope. This is a different type of Chick-fil-A. You see the train, King? King, you see the train? This joint dope. It's like a bucket. Oh, you can eat inside? And they serve you and stuff? Oh yeah, we definitely eat inside then. Look at this menu. I'm telling you, this is the upper echelon Chick-fil-A. You would never see or go to a Chick-fil-A like this ever again, bro. They have everything. Breakfast served all day. The breakfast is literally served all day. It's the best Chick-fil-A in the world.
Fries and mac for you, baby. Okay, and souffle.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, honey. This one got mac and cheese. Is that correct?
That's
over
it.
there?
Yep.
Yes. Okay.
This is the mean kid over here.
That's the mean kid?
Mean kid right there.
Oh, he's not mean. He's just sad looking.
He's just troubled.
Sad looking.
Smile.
Why are you so sad?
You're not gonna smile for her? Smile. Cheese. So I got my food now, I'm happy.
All right, guys.
All right, thank you.
Another supply.
Yes,
Anything
please.
else?
This Chick-fil-A literally has service. Sweet potato souffle. Taste this one. Here's macaroni. The macaroni had before, I'm gonna give it a 6. I'm gonna give the sweet potatoes a 7. Sweet potatoes good. It's just gonna taste like real sweet potatoes, I must say. But it's good. It's good for fake sweet potatoes. What? 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 Good. I had to put y'all on because I know y'all never heard of a Chick-fil-A like this before. So like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.
The last time you're gonna see a bad guy like this again.
They need people like me, guess I'm the bad guy. They putting daddies in the hood to see it stack high. 9 rocks in my Murray to make them stretch out. She a toxic bitch, she love when I be stressed out. In the boxing ring with bags, I beat the pack down. Started rapping, bitch, my Cuban way at crack house. I push a phone, should be born driving tracks now. I'm too official, you can go and check my background. Young Shiner poppin' with this through the city. Only bosses at this table, got real niggas standing with me. If you stay on and be low, you guarantee you make a 50. On the bike ride with the packin' on the